If you're running a small business and still stuck doing the same tasks over and over, manually sending invoices, updating spreadsheets, chasing follow-ups, this video is for you. Because here's the truth. If you don't automate, you burn out. Let's talk about how hyperautomation for small business can help you cut costs, save time, and finally get ahead without hiring a tech team or writing a single line of code. So what is hyperautomation? It's the smart combination of tools like robotic process automation, artificial intelligence, and low-code platforms to automate not just tasks, but entire workflows. Instead of just automating one email, you're connecting your CRM, your invoicing system, and your calendar, so everything runs without you lifting a finger. And yes, this works for small businesses. You don't need a giant IT budget to make it happen. Before you start automating, it helps to understand the core technologies behind hyperautomation. Let's break it down. First, robotic process automation, or RPA. Tools like UiPath and Automation Anywhere mimic human actions. They click, type, copy, and move data between systems, just like a digital assistant. Second, artificial intelligence and machine learning. AI adds intelligence to your automation. It can read emails, understand customer intent, flag unusual transactions, or even predict what your next move should be. Third, low-code and no-code platforms. This is where tools like Zapier, Make, and Microsoft Power Automate come in. They let you build workflows visually without writing code. You can connect apps, set triggers, and automate actions, all from a drag and drop interface. These three technologies, RPA, AI, and low-code tools, are the foundation of hyperautomation, and they're more accessible than ever. Now let's talk about how to actually use this in your business. Step 1. Identify the repetitive stuff. What are you doing every day that follows the same pattern? Invoicing? Lead follow-ups? Inventory updates? Step 2. Pick the right tools. Start with small business automation tools like Zapier, Make, or Power Automate. They're affordable, easy to use, and integrate with the apps you already have. Step 3. Start small. Automate one process, track the time saved, then scale from there. Let's say you run a small accounting firm. You set up a workflow where every time a new client fills out a form, their info goes into your CRM, a welcome email is sent, and a task is created in your project board. That's 10 minutes saved per client. Multiply that by 50 clients a month, and you've just freed up a full workday. That's the power of hyperautomation for small business. And the best part? You didn't need a developer. You just needed a plan. Once your first automation is running smoothly, expand. Automate your customer service responses. Set up alerts for low inventory. Schedule your social posts. And don't forget to review and optimize. Automation isn't set it and forget it. It's a system you refine as your business grows. Also, get your team involved. Show them how automation helps, not replaces their jobs. When your staff sees the time saved, they'll start suggesting new ways to automate. If this sounds like the kind of help your business needs, you're not alone. We built the Google Keith knowledge base to give small business owners like you real, actionable tech advice without the fluff. Visit googlekeith.com for more how-to guides, automation walkthroughs, and digital tools that actually work. Because your time is too valuable to waste on tasks a bot can handle. Automate smarter, work lighter. Subscribe for more how-to guides, and let's build something better.